Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexvips.com. Traders, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then you subscribe it, and also do not to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading updates from my side. Okay, guys, I am here with a very important update. You know that I am providing the signals, forex signal service from 2015, and we are doing the signal service very successfully. And guys, I have subscribers who have subscribed for a very long period of time, and they are working with me. And guys, I want to make the things quite simple here. So some people ask that how you prepare this signal report that I already sent in the morning, that I sent to the subscribers in the morning. You know that I provide two levels in my signals report with a trend that it's bullish or it's bearish, whatever as per the report. So how I predict this trend, this is basically the key essence of my forex trading service. So guys, you know that there are a lot of business opportunities on the internet, and you can also become a freelancer like me, who can provide his services on internet by selling its services to other people. So guys, the purpose of this video is to teach you people that how I prepare the video, how I prepare the daily signals report. So basically, I prepare the signal report based on a very simple trick that I am using from 2015, and it works, and it is working perfectly fine for me. And that's why I'm going to announce here, because most of the subscribers are making the $80 subscription payment each month, and you know that if you multiply the $80 investment that you made on me on 1 month, it means that for 12 months you are going to pay me $960. So guys, why don't you do one thing? I am here announcing a service that I will teach you how to prepare this signals report, and I will teach you on Skype. So what is the method? I will take you to on the Skype. I will teach you that how I prepare the signal report. I am already mentioning this thing that this trick is very simple to understand. I am using some combinations to prepare my signals, and I will teach you that how and what is the criteria for giving a bullish or bearish signal, and this is what I teach for $700. I have received already many orders from my subscribers, and I have already taught them on Skype. So I teach them for 3 days on Skype. I take the client on my Skype, and we prepare signals together. And in 3 days you will be able to prepare your own signals, and after that you will be able to you can open your website, and you can also start selling your own forex signals exactly like me, and you can also gain your own subscriber database. And also this will be very beneficial to those traders who are making very heavy losses in the forex market, and they do not understand that what could be the trend of the day. Like for example, I have supplied the bullish signal on Euro USD on Friday from 110743, and you can see a very big boost appeared on Euro USD on Friday, and that single trade must have filled my traders with a lot of profits. So guys, that is why I am saying that you should go for that service, because no one share its trick with other, no one sell its trick, but I am here to open my you can say that this is a business secret that I am going to reveal with you people. But please note that I will share this secret with you. I will teach this secret with you for $700. This will be the one-time payment, and after that you will be able to prepare your own signals, and you will get rid of the signal providers that provide the signals on a daily basis. You will come up to know about the trends, that what could be the possible trend of the day, and I will teach you how to prepare this signals report in a very efficient manner. And I will provide you all tools that will be able to that will be quite helpful for you for preparing this signals report. So guys, if you want to subscribe to this opportunity, because this is a big opportunity that is working for me from 2015. If you want to understand that how I prepare the signals, if you want to start your own forex trading signals business, then you can come and join me on Skype. You can send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. But please note that this gig is for $700 because this is the secret of my business, and I will definitely going to reveal the secret to all of the traders who will go for the subscription. Moreover, guys, you know that there is a time zone difference between some countries, and I normally prepare the signals before the London session. So for those subscribers who will not be able to, let's say those subscribers who will not be able to come on Skype, if they request for video, then I can prepare the video for 3 days. That how I am going to prepare the signals. I will record the video and I will send over to you. I will send over the report to you. And also within this gig, within the service, you will also get one more extra service that you will be subscribed to 1 month signal service for free. So why this is going to be given you 1 month free signal service? Because of the reason that you will be able to compare my signal report with your signals reports. For example, I will send you the signals report in the morning, and I will definitely teach you before that time that how I prepare the signals, and later on you will check your signals with mine. And if you will have any questions, you can come to me over Skype or you can email me, and I will definitely reply you that how I prepare this, how I have prepared the signal. I will provide you with the reasons. So guys, do not miss this opportunity and subscribe today for the signals preparation. It's a one-time investment, but you will be able to provide your own signals. And for the big traders who are trading the big accounts, the $700 does not make any sense to them, and they will be able to, hopefully they will be able to just earn this money within no time, because $700 for teaching is nothing. And I believe this service is very good, and hopefully you will also enjoy it. So guys, if you are interested in buying this service, then please contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or you can contact me on Skype. Skype ID is mentioned on the website. But please note that I receive too many requests on Skype, so you need to leave a message on Skype that this is for Forex signals preparation coaching. I want to take signal preparation coaching from you so that I can deal with you over the Skype or through email. So guys, waiting for your response, and hopefully you like this video and you will like the service, and we will come back with analysis from Monday. Thank you so much, and guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.